Welcome to Inrika, Empowering It Talent. Looking for your next big career move in IT? Inrika has exciting opportunities just for you. Whether you're into business analyst, project manager, product owner, scrum master, or cybersecurity analyst, we've got roles that fit your skills. With our expert guidance, extensive network, and deep industry knowledge, we make your job search efficient and effective. Inrika connects you with top companies, offering not just jobs, but career-defining opportunities. Don't miss out on these exciting opportunities. Explore, apply, and embark on your new career journey with Inrika. Contact Balaji at 73-221-72958 or email balaji@inrika.com. Visit inrika.com to discover your next role today.